These are the wheel paddle holders, and what this is, if for anybody that's paddled a kayak like this is my fishing kayak, and a lot of times what I do is just put my kayak paddle under this little bungee here. Well, that's a hassle of getting this bungee on and off, and what I wanted to do was be able to set the paddle right here on the side, and that's what these things do. You can see how they work right there. It's basically, you run them along a track, so if you got these track systems on the side of your boat, you can actually get these track systems and add them on your own kayak. And what these do, these actually hold off of they help hold the paddle off the side of the boat. Or actually, this is a parking pole, which is like a pole anchor. It'll hold that, and it'll actually hold a fishing rod by the grip. So let me go ahead and install these and show you how these things work, because they are actually pretty cool. So let's install them now. This one looks like the screw head came out, but this is how it looks right here. There's the actual screw in there. I'm going to install this one right here. So what it does, it has these little like T-grip things. You want to loosen this up as far as it can, maybe just to where 1 or 2 threads is. Now this has a ridge that's coming off the side right here, so it's going to be a little tighter than most. So a lot of kayaks will have just their track right on the side, but watch how you install this. So basically you just slide that down in there and then tighten it up, and it pressure fits itself, and it works actually surprisingly well. So watch this, it's in there. Now put maybe 3 to 4 turns on this. So you see how that's locked down in there. So let me go ahead and grab the second one. And if it ever comes apart, the way it works is the little like rubber piece will go up like that, and then it screws through it just like this. So you see how it captures itself there, and then the knob will go on like that. So let me go ahead, like I said, I get it to where just like 1 or 2 threads, and now I'm coming in from this side, tighten that down. Now that's solid, and now watch this. So here's my actual kayak paddle. Watch how I can just sit here and then drop it down in there, and then this is an extra layer of security of a little bungee that goes around. Oh, let's do it like that. You got to make sure your bungee doesn't go under it. So that bungee is an extra layer of security, so even if you flip, the paddle's going to stay with the boat. How cool is that? So you see how the kayak paddle's just locked in right there, and then it drops right into place, and that's not coming out. See, even if I want to, the bungee catches it. This is another feature that you can do with these things. A bait caster here, watch this, right in the reels. Look how it grabs a hold of the bottom of the handle there. Look how I can put that on there like that, and that on there like that. If I want to just run a rod like that, I can either run it backwards or forward, and it'd hold the rod into place. And even if I flip upside down, the rod's not going to come out. I like that feature right there. And then for if you don't know what this thing is, what it does, it goes right down in between the scupper holes. You slide that parking pole into the scupper holes, and it holds you in place while you're fishing. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the long kayak holders by Aventik. Gear up, explore more, worry less. Well, there you go. See y'all in the next video.